Hello everyone. Today we will be dealing with the topic of informal letter writing. Informal letters are generally written to friends, relatives, or family members. As they are written to close relations, they have an informal or a personal touch. Informal letter also carries 10 marks in the exam. So now we will be discussing the format of informal letter writing. Let us begin with the format of informal letter. In the letter, everything should begin from the left hand side margin. As you can see, I have written an address over here. This address is the sender's address or the writer's address. In the address, you will begin from a smaller area to a larger area. As you can see, I have written 8, Sunrise Apartments. Here 8 being the flat number or the apartment number, Sunrise Apartments, Jawahar Nagar, Mango, Jamshedpur. When you end your address, you will give a full stop. Elsewhere, you have to give a comma. It will fetch you half marks. After that, you will leave a line and begin with the date. The date of the letter will be the date on which you are writing the letter. So, you will write the number followed by ST, RD, ND, whichever is appropriate. Then you will write the month beginning with the capital letter, and the month will be in full spelling. You will not write APR, you will write the complete spelling followed by a comma and the year. So the year is 2020, so you will write 2020 followed by a full stop. So date will fetch you half marks. After that, you will leave a line and write the salutation. Salutation will be dear. I have written Suman. Suman may be an imaginary friend. You can write the letter to your father, mother, grandfather, etc. followed by a comma, and it will be giving you half marks. Remember, D will be in capital, and the first letter to whom you are writing the letter, the name will be in capital. After that, you can see I have written the letter in 3 paragraphs. The first paragraph being the introduction, the second paragraph being the body, and the third paragraph being the conclusion. In the first paragraph, you will write for the reason which you are writing the letter, the introductory part. The second paragraph, you will write the body of the letter, which means whatever you have to say, you will have to write in the body of the letter. And third is the conclusion or the leave taking part where you will end the letter. All the paragraphs will begin from the margin. Wherever you end the paragraph, the next paragraph again will begin from the left hand side margin. You can leave a line between 2 paragraphs, or you may not leave the line, but your letter should be neat, clean and legible. As you finish all the 3 paragraphs, you will leave a line and write the subscription part. The subscription part will be yours lovingly, and your first name full stop. Yours Y will be 3-stroke Y, and there will be no apostrophe before S. Lovingly L will be small followed by a comma, and at last your first name. So as you can see, I have mentioned over here, the format carries 2.5 marks, the content carries 2.5 marks, and expression carries 5 marks. The expression is further bifurcated into 4 points. Opening sentence will fetch you 1 mark, closing sentence will fetch you 1 mark, spellings in the letter will fetch you 1 mark, and grammar will fetch you 2 marks. So altogether the expression will give you 5 marks. So this being the format of the informal letter, you will write accordingly. So in this manner, you can write various informal letters. For questions, you can refer to any grammar book wherein you will find questions related to informal letter writing, or you can also Google up to find out questions related to informal letter writing. But the format will remain the same as discussed.